guys, pumunta pala kami sa bundok kasama si Prince yan. So guys, ay ang ganda ng ano dyan, ng weather yan. So it's winter snow tayo guys yan. Just sharing guys yan. At medyo mahaba bang driving 2 hours from city to sa Koli National Park sa Finland guys. So just keep watching on my YouTube channel and support guys. Yan, yung father and son guys, Manalo Vlogs yan. Thank you for sharing my reels sa FB. May FB page po tayo and then YouTube channel guys yan, meron din tayo yan. So ipopost ko to guys, sana supportan nyo ako para sa tagumpay yan. Please like and follow and keep on watching. Haba ng ano dyan guys, ang driving nakakalula, pero okay naman kasi nakakondisyon naman yung sasakyan natin guys. So, yan. Thank you guys, love you all and ingat, keep safe everyone. Sa mga OFW, maraming salamat sa inyo guys sa support, family and